Now, we're on part 3 of this. Part 3 is solving the cube. Part 3 is getting the top side. Here's a case that you might get, which is this. Which is the L. There's some major cases that you can get. This L line across like that, or a dot center, or the cross. If you get the cross, don't worry about getting the cross, because with that, you're finished. Okay, if you have it this way, hold your cube so it looks like this. You do this. You do F R U I U I R I F I L I U and then L, and then you solve it like that. Now you're thinking, what other algorithm that I need to know if I get another case? Another case would be this. Now, let me do. Okay. What you would need to do is, if you have this case, you need to do this algorithm. F R U then you need to do this. F R U R I U I F I. And there you've done that. And then now to get another possible algorithm, which is the dot. If you get this algorithm, do the same algorithm that you would do to get the line. You would do F R U R I U I F I. Then you would get something like this, and then do the same algorithm that you learned earlier to get this. Okay, so now, once you're done, all you need to do is, there's like about 12 different cases. Well, I don't know all the solutions for this, but basically the main solution to get it to a certain way is this. You have this one, this one, this one, this one, and some others. Now, what you need to do is, if you get this algorithm, this case, you need to do this. You need to do R, U, or I, U, or U, U, or I. Yeah. Then you get this. Now, you need to do this. The same algorithm. R, U, or I, U, or U, U, or I. Then you get this, or get it where this whole side is yellow. But if you get this, do U, U, and then repeat that same algorithm. R, U, or I, U, or U, U, or I. Then you're done with that. And then, now, for this, if you get is where no corners are paired like this, then that's alright. Then do this algorithm. R, I, F, R, I, B, B, R, F, I, R, I, B, B, R, R, U. And since I had a certain case, and I was kind of lucky, and I got mine solved. But in this case, I can do it, and then I'll show you another way. And if you got that done with two corners fixed, and then now you're on to doing these two, what you would need to do is this. Get these, get the two paired edges and corners, and then line them up so they're like this. Where it's not like this, it's like this. And then do R, I, F, R, I, B, B, R, F, I, R, I, B, B, R, R. And once you've done that, now, once you've got that done, you have some cases like this, where it needs to be, these needs to be switched counterclockwise, like needs to be switched with this one needs to be switched, and then like that. And then do F, F, U, L, or I, F, F, L, I, or U, F, F. And if you need to do them counterclockwise, do it in reverse, which is F, F, U, I, L, or F, F, L, I, or UI, and then FF, and so on and so forth. But the trick, how to know you're doing it right, is if you line the piece up with the color. Yeah. And another case would be is if you don't have anything up like that, where have it something like that, still do the same case. And another case is if you have it where it's like this. Now, this is called the H perm. The H perm is where you do this. You do these algorithms. LI or U. No. Goes L. No. R. LI or U. L or I. F. FI. U. F. U. F. U. And then FI. That's one way of doing this. That's my way that I know of. But there are two others. But they're a little bit harder to explain. And one uses a notation which is a little bit more advanced. But it will soon, if you learn an advanced method, you'll learn using that notation, which is M. M is by turning the middle layer. Yeah.